Meaning of homonym.
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 Homonym. The term homonym refers to a word that has the same pronunciation or spelling as another word, but a different meaning. This can lead to confusion and ambiguity in language usage. For example, the word bat can refer to a piece of sports equipment or a type of flying mammal. Similarly, the word watch can mean either a timepiece or the act of observing something closely. Understanding the meaning and context of homonyms is important for effective communication and avoiding misunderstandings in both written and spoken language.